8:30, we cut across to some breaking news coming in as the drug angle gets bigger. Narcotics Control Bureau has arrested one more peddler. So I beg your pardon, this is the first arrest that has been made by the NCB in the drug nexus where one peddler has been arrested. Remember, two who were taken into custody this afternoon, and one of them has also confessed to having links with Shouvik Chakrabarti, Riya Chakrabarti's brother. Now we are getting to know that one drug peddler has been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and remember, this is the first arrest that has been made in this case as the investigation continues. Anuj will be joining us live very shortly to give us details of the drug peddler who has been arrested, what all he has revealed until now, and how exactly is the NCB now going forward with the investigation. But fast-paced developments that have been happening as raids were conducted both in Delhi and Mumbai, seizures that were also done, also details that were gathered about where these drugs are sourced from, where they are sourced in Mumbai and Delhi, and how these drugs are distributed. So a big attack on the drug distribution network, after which two peddlers who were taken into NCB's custody, and one of them who admitted to having links with Shouvik Chakrabarti has now been arrested by the NCB. Remember, this is the first arrest that has been made. This amidst several revelations of how four big names are also under scanner, two of them of politicians, one actor and one filmmaker, and hard evidence that the agency has gathered against them. Anuj, I'm being told, is now live with us. Anuj, first up, first arrest made, investigation continues. The drug peddler who admitted to having links with Shouvik Chakrabarti has now been arrested by the NCB.
Well, that's massive what we are understanding. That's massive what we have been told at this point in time, that one peddler, the first peddler, been arrested by the NCB. Let me tell you and let me give you the sense from the NCB office, also from where I'm reporting. A few minutes back, a man named Karan Arora also left from the NCB office. He was also questioned, but one man who stated the name, who have taken the name of Shouvik Chakrabarti, has been arrested by the NCB official. Let me tell you that the drug angle is being looked up now by all the agencies working in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, whether being it Enforcement Directorate, whether being it NCB or the CBI. So we continuously have been told that one person has been arrested. We are waiting for the more detail what exactly his name is, but the connections are out. The dots has been connected by the NCB. More than 18 name has been also given to the Mumbai police, where we have been told that more raids are expected. Rather, if we talk about Delhi, Mumbai and other places, these places were the part where the raids happened, where the raids took place. So the raids are underway. What we have been told, that the latest development is that first arrest in the case of the drug peddler is being done by the NCB. So we are waiting for the
stay
official...
on with us. We are cutting across to more exclusive details coming in of the ED interrogation of hotelier Gaurav Arya, who was quizzed for over 9 hours for a second day in a row, and the Enforcement Directorate that has collected digital evidence from hotelier Gaurav Arya. Now, what we get to understand is that his phone that has been scanned and cloned by the Enforcement Directorate officials for narcotics drug chats. So, Anuj, these very chats that he had were under scanner, and he himself had admitted to knowing Riya and meeting her in 2017, and now the ED, after questioning him for the second day in a row, went on to gather digital evidence and cloning his phone. What more have they been able to gather in this, Anuj?
Well, exactly. This was the second day when Gaurav Arora was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate for 8 hours. Let me tell you, for 8 hours again on the second day, he was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. The chats were retrieved, and in that chat there was a conversation between Reha and Gaurav Arya regarding some kind of drug. So that has been all looked up, and that's why the phone is being scanned, the phone is being cloned. So what we have been told that yes, this has been admitted. Rather, this is coming in light from the Enforcement Directorate that yes, Gaurav Arya back in 2017 had word with Reha Chakrabarti. That cannot be denied because the WhatsApp chat is out in open. That has been already retrieved. But as Enforcement Directorate is looking more into the angle that what exactly were the conversation and till when the conversation happened, until when Gaurav Arya was in connection with Reha Chakrabarti or whosoever is connected in the Sushant case. So that is something what is being looked up by the Enforcement Directorate today also in the ATAC questioning by Gaurav Arya.
Absolutely, Anuj. Fast-paced developments that have come in all day today, and we wait and watch what happens tomorrow. For the moment, I want to thank you for all these details.